Yes, this is now recording. Okay, sorry this is taking me so long to make. I was waiting for this thing to arrive from China, so you can imagine. I'm making this so you could send it to that guy, because I'm sure he'll be able to make one of these himself. It's really spectacularly simple. It's like a spool of LED lights. You get them like that, wrapped around a bit of cardboard, which I had a poster in, and to make it look a little bit fancier I've got this copper tape that I stuck on it. Kind of better than cardboard. Well, that's what I thought. Yeah, the power thing is, there we go, so 30 watts to 12 watts, yeah, 12 watts, and yeah, you'll be able to work this out. It's quite simple. So the controller has like an LED side, and it looks like that's wired into that, but it's not. It's actually wired into this side. I just did that so that the cables kind of naturally were stretched so that there weren't like a ball inside, as you can see, maybe like that. Yeah, so that one to the LED red and that one to the LED black, then these red and black to the positives in here and the negative on that side. Power in there, just a plug I cut off of something that's 3 amp fuse in it, because this shouldn't use that much power and I'm always worried about stuff going on fire. So this should be fine. I'll plug it in and switch it on. Yeah, the reason I waited so long was I thought it'd be really useful to have a remote control so you could switch it on in bed rather than having to get up and turn it on, because it only really is needed in the morning to wake you up. But I'll switch it on and show you. So, ta-da! And also, it's stupidly bright, so you might want to, if you're like up and about and you've got it sitting, you shouldn't really have it on full blast, because when you look at it, come on, go full blast. It kind of gives you those little dots in your eyes after you look about, so it's not really very good for you. But having this just like sitting, just out of eye shot, when you're making your coffee in the morning or fucking about, is perfect. And then when you wake up out of bed, have on full blast, because you'll still basically have your eyes shut, and it still works actually having your eyes shut and having this on, or at least if it works for you it'll still work. But if it doesn't work for you, it doesn't work. Just this works for me, and now I'm rambling because this is the first time in front of a camera like this, which is quite weird actually. Anyway, I hope you send this to that guy for him to make it. This cost like maybe £15, most of that's postage. I can't really tell you the copper tape because I had that lying around, but it's for gardening, it's not expensive either. And the bit from a poster I also had lying about, but again, it's a cardboard tube, it can't be expensive. Lights, £5–6. This thing, £8. Cable, couple of pounds. Anyway, oh, actually yeah, it must be over 15 because this was also a £5. But yeah, anyway. I'm going to switch this off now, like a professional. I might edit this out, I probably won't because I can't be bothered editing.